All right, so this is the video that we're going to be. This is an introduction to Google Docs. For those of you that don't know, Google Docs is an application provided by Google, whereby you're going to have the opportunity to save, just like WPS, Microsoft Word, on your mobile phone. You can use the laptop. Why I'm making all of these videos on mobile phone, because most people are looking for ways to make money through mobile phone. A lot of people have phone and some people don't have laptop. So I'm making is just same thing, same method, same everything. So if you have a mobile phone, good news for you, you can still make money through your phone. Okay, so the video here we're going to be making it, go to your search bar here and search for this app, Google Docs, this way. Now it's going to show you this. So you see it in this format. Now look at the one above. It says sponsor. That is not the one we are looking for. Look at the one that says Google Docs. When you look at it practically, you see a little difference. That one have Docs X beneath it. This one doesn't have anything. It's just plain, and is about 32 MB or so. So look at it here. I don't want to update it now. Just install it. I don't want to update it now. Install it here, and you're going to have it on your phone. So I will open the docs here. I'll open the docs. I use my Google Docs instead of Notepad. Why do I use that? I use it because it's been linked to my email, and anywhere I am, I can work. Being on my system, on my phone, wherever I am, any time of the day I choose to work, I can work, and I can have my written documents. All the documents that I've linked, they have written already, are linked to my Google. What do I mean? When you log in your email to another mobile phone that is not your own, you can have all those files at once on your Google Docs. This makes it wonderful, and this is why I love using it. Okay, so I save information here. Look at it. These are even novels I've written for people, for other clients. I have it here, and I can send it. I can work freely because I know whenever my clients ask, I can send it directly to them. Okay, so let's see how we can use Google Docs. We're going to explore. So look at this plus icon here. Look at this plus icon here beside, by your right hand side downward. You click on it with this cross sign. It's going to open. Now it's showing you to choose template. You can choose templates. You can decide to choose template depending on what you are writing. Can you see? When you are if you are writing a resume, just click on it. It's going to give you a template where you can edit, especially when you are a beginner. This is a value I'm giving to you for free. Okay, and look at it. Here is later, here is business later, informal later. You see, education, this is essay report. Report is here. In case you want to write report and you don't know where to start, you can come here, choose the template and edit. Okay, book report, and so many others here. Look at it. Look at it. Project proposal, project. There are many, and a lot of people don't know the value of this Google Docs. It's so useful. Now, another thing you can do is look at it here. Look at this icon with a pencil. That highlight with pencil icon. New document. Click on it. It's going to open a new file for you. Is going to open a new file. For why are we treating this? We want to treat this to know how to use it before we can start writing the article itself, because it's a practical aspect and we are going to be writing, and I don't want to give you a brush or rush work. Okay, so this is it. This is how it's going to come in. Now, first of all, these icons you are seeing, the back key, the reverse key, the A icon, the plus, the message icon, the tree hamburger out up there, the good sign. I'm going to show you now. This first icon with good highlighted in blue is an icon you're going to click whenever you finish writing. So first, let me write. Let's say practical example. Okay, now let's say I don't want, let's say it's not E at wanted, let's say examples, and maybe I don't want this S. I'll click on the next icon, which is showing the arrow facing my left hand side or facing your left hand side. Now click on it. It's going to erase this F, and in as much as I continue clicking it, it's going to continue taking out those words one after the other. Okay, what happened if if the next word I wrote are pasted? Let's say good, and good is pasted. Now if I don't want this, I'll just click on this. You see the back key I did has reversed. Now look at the good has gone because I pasted it. So assuming you wrote something you don't want it, once you click on that, it's going to, oh, what if it was a mistake that you clicked on that reverse arrow? What do you do now to reverse the whatever the writing that has gone now? Because it's a big problem. Imagine that you copied something, a whole writing that you've written, and paste it here, and that thing just got erased out of mistake. Click on the next arrow facing your right hand side. It's going to come back. This is so good. This is so good. Okay, this next icon here, the A sign, is going to give you a lot of format here. This is where you can increase the size of your writing. Okay, or you can choose, if you are writing a heading, look at it, your title, you choose the title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, 5, 6, it goes on, okay, up to heading 6. Okay, so if you are done, once you click on it, it's going to choose the heading automatically and it will take off that. But because I'm not choosing anyone, I will have to click on it manually. Now here where you are seeing this Arial, you click on it here, it's going to give you the font size. Okay, the font itself, sorry, not the size. You choose the font you want to write. This is Georgia, Impact, depending on what you're writing. Every kind of writing have its own style. Okay, so you will want to choose the appropriate fonts that you will want to use. Okay, the next one here is when you want to increase the size of your writing. You can practically see 11 in the middle, while by your left is minus, by your right is plus. So you can increase it or reduce it. It's automatically going to be increasing the size. Okay, so it's either you increase or reduce it. The next is here, you bold it, you make it to Italian, you cross it. Look at it, they are here depending on what you're writing or what you want to write. When you want to highlight, you want to cross. And this one is formatting, normally used for formatting. This one here, whereby you choose the style which you want your writing to be put upon. We'll come to that. Doing it here will not give you the practical example. You may not understand it here. And many of them here, the line spacing, look at it here, the column spacing, a lot of them here. So once you choose and you are done, you close it by clicking on that. Now this icon here, this hamburger here, this plus, sorry, here when you click it, let's assume you've written an article and you want to insert a link. Click on this link here. It's going to open a place for you. Paste your link here, and the text where you want to, let's say, is on, let me get something, and let's see how it's going to be, so that we'll paste the link. Okay, now click on it here, link, and let's say I want to put it on where it says good. Now when I search, let's say good is a heading to me, it's going to search for that good. Okay, it's going to search for that because I've not titled it. Normally when you are arranging it, you write everything, and when you write it here, it's going to show you according to like the title or whatever. Look at it, this is the book here, though I've forgotten to write the title because we have not yet reached there. But when I write it, I'll click on this one, on title document, sorry, I will type the link here, and once you type in the link here, you click on your good, you are good to go. Now when you come back here, you see that this your writing is highlighted in blue. Once someone click on it, it's going to refer him back to that site. And here, this is this place, when you want to add a comment, you put it here. This hamburger here is where you will change your title and other things. So look at this, on title document with a sign of pencil, click on it, and it's going to capture the first heading. So if this is not what you want to title the book, I title all of my writing so that once I come in, I don't have to be opening, checking. I write the title of it so that when I open my Google Docs, once I see it, I know the exact thing that is in that content. So for me, I'm okay with practical. I think the spelling, for example, is not correct, so I'll correct it here. Practical example. And now when you click on it, you see that the name have changed. Now here you will you can you can click on print layout, view modes where you view it. You can click on suggest changes, document outline, find and replace. What do I mean find and replace? Let's assume I've written something here and I don't want this. I want to replace this HAPS, this second line after. Then I will replace. Let's say you've written, let's say 10,000 words, and maybe you make a mistake of the author name or something. Now, do you mean you're going to be following this right of one after the other? It's hectic. It's hectic actually. Now, what you have to do is come to this find and replace. Now, I don't want anywhere that is this HAPS. Okay, look at it. It has highlight. Then you click on this good icon on the keyboard. It's going to search and it will show you how many. Look at it here. It says one occurred. It's going to show you the number of times this word have repeat itself. Let's say I don't want that word. I want to change it to something. Now click on these three dots at the top. Look at it. Replace all. Even if it is 10,000, if that word have appeared 10,000 times, I'll click on replace all. Okay, and look at it below here. It will show you the number of times that word have appeared. Now click on let's say I want good novel to appear. Anyway, HAPS appear is good novel. I want it to appear. Now I will click on replace all by the side. You see the magic. Do you see good novel? Do you see it here? See it here. It has replaced the word. It has replaced the word. So this is practically more easier to format. You know, when you are formatting your book or writing article, it's so easy for you to do it. Now some people tell you that when you're writing you should go to this website, that website. I will still show you some of the website, but this is the most simplest way to do it. You don't have to go anywhere searching for it. Look at it here. You just have to come here and search for, click on word count. He's going to give us the total number of words, number of characters, and excluding spaces. Okay, excluding spaces, we have 63 characters. With spaces, we have 66 characters, and the word count is how many? 6. This is so easy. I mean, this is so easy. This is so easy. Okay, because it's not counting all of this in there, just jargons. Okay, so if let's say you've written so much, but let's say 10,000, 20,000, it will not be like, let's say there is a specific word you want to, let's say you want to just know the word count of your chapter 1. Now you highlight it this way. Now drag this one hand-sided and drag it to the end of chapter 1, and you come back here to check for word count. It's going to give you the word count of the one you've highlighted only. Okay, so this is that about that. So we've checked the bold, Italian or whatever. So now this one, let's say I'm formatting, this is a heading and I want it to be centered. Click on this one here. Look at it, it has opened. The one, the second, the last one there, you see the different type of formats. Look at it, different type of format. So depending on the kind of article you are writing, like when you are writing script, this particular format I choose, we use it for something different. Okay, so look at it, depending on what you are writing. And this one now, let's say you are given another point and you want it to be unique. You want this very one to be unique. You can choose. You see, the next time you click point 1, okay, point 2, point 3, point 4. Do you see how unique it's looking? Do you see how it's looking so unique? Okay, so you can choose another one. You can choose, let's say choosing 1 to 4. Look at it. You can play around with it. So this is just it virtually. Keep on practicing and you'll be perfect at it. Okay, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section, and if you are getting value, please write in the comment section thank you for the value, or type in the word value in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of value that are yet to be unveiled. Thank you for watching.